Juliet Nightingale, Nima Blackshaw, is in deep trouble for being out of control and accidentally hitting DS Zoe Anderson, Garcia Brown, and things are about to get even worse in tonight's Hollyoaks on at 6:30 p.m. See our TV guide for full listings. At the police station, Zoe berates Juliet for her awful attitude as Juliet's brother, James Nightingale, Gregory Finnegan, tries to get through to his sister. Meanwhile, Juliet's mum, Donna Marie Quinn, Lucy Jo Hudson, tells Peri Lomax, Neve Blackshaw, that maybe it's time they stop nursing Juliet and get on her wavelength instead. Not taking Donna Marie's advice, Peri turns to Rain, Gemma Donovan, and Lacey, Annabelle Davis, for help, and she agrees to go along with a plan that Rain has come up with. However, things are about to backfire horribly. In heart-wrenching scenes, Juliet and Peri have a heated argument. Peri admits she's terrified of the future, and an angry and upset Juliet starts cutting off her hair. Can the couple find a way to move forward? Elsewhere, Norma Crowe, Glynis Barber, surprises her son Warren Fox, Jamie Lomas, and her grandson Joel Dexter, Rory Douglas Speed, with a family portrait. Norma tells them she wants to strengthen their family unit, but a wary Sienna Blake, Anna Passy, warns Joel to keep an eye on controlling Norma whilst she's around her twins, Sophie and Sebastian. Later, Ethan Williams, Matthew James Bailey, convinces Sienna to let loose and enjoy the freedom of being kid-free instead of worrying about her ex, Warren's, parenting skills. Plus Xing Lin, Izzy Yip, lead Charlie Dean, Charlie Bean, astray as the pair break into the empty school and mess around in the hall, playing the drums and singing. However, they're soon caught by teachers Nancy, Jessica Fox, and head teacher, Sally Street Claire, Annie Wallace, and Charlie, who also happens to be Nancy's son, is in a whole load of trouble. Meanwhile, James Nightingale, Gregory Finnegan, is staying over at his boyfriend St. Hayes, Kieran Richardson, house for a trial run to see if they would be happy living there together. However, Sant's daughter, Leah Barnes, Ella Mae Demican, is not too happy about the arrangement and tries to sabotage it. Will she manage to put James off completely?